Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look as usual on the gold market. As you can see, yesterday's session was not really very significant. This was minor bounce as market has reached the fib levels. 1210 is the 50% support from the historical low, from the November lows, when the real upward action has started after the long-term bear trend on the gold market. It's very significant fib levels as 50%, as the 3.8 that has been broken. That was, by the way, the confidence support. It's very important. The market on the way down has broken very strong support area. Next will be 1172. So mostly the area that we would like to see gold at after some time. But right now, as you can see, gold has hit the 50% and daily oversold and turns to some minor bounce here, minor retracement. The one thing that seems interesting here is that take a look at this large ABCD pattern. A, B, C top, D pattern. First of all, for what really interesting is that take a look. The CD target is, has been reached yet. So market hasn't quite reached it for $10 approximately. It's 1202 area is the target of the ABCD. This is the first moment. Second moment is the really miserable plunge as the CD leg. This combination of these two factors is that very fast CD leg and not quite completed target of the ABCD significantly increase the chances that market will drop lower. Now we will not speak on the possible next targets. It's 1618 extension of this ABCD or something of that sort. Now we're mostly focused on the very short-term perspective. So a combination of this very fast bearish impulse and uncompleted target of the ABCD pattern makes us think that market should drop at least to the 12 even area in the short-term perspective. So this upward action is doomed mostly. That's our view on the situation that we see on the daily chart. And now market mostly stands in this upward action just as a reaction, it's minor reaction in respect of the support area. It's it's a bit increased by reaching of the oversold, simultaneous reaching of the oversold condition. As soon as market will abandon this uncomfortable oversold area, it probably will drop further. Relative confirmation of that we see on the forward time frame chart. So take a look what we have. First of all, market is forming some kind of the wedge pattern, small pennant. This pennant is the continuation pattern. It's minor bounce here. If you'll take a look at this action, it's very gradual. No real signs of thrust, nothing of that sort that could suggest some deeper retracement or something stronger, something of that sort, but in the opposite direction. If we would see some kind of the signs of the thrust here, we could say yes, it's probably some great reaction is coming on the gold market and we could really get some significant retracement. But here it's not the case. So very small candles overlapping, a lot of different retracements. So on our chart it could be seen better. You can see there's some kind of the action. It's not really significant performance. First, I thought that maybe we will get the bread and butter sell, but right now it's definitely not the case, since market already has shown a lot of closes above the 3x3 moving average and hasn't quite reached even minor level here. It's not the bread and butter definitely. Double repo, well, it's difficult to say because this market has shown close above the 3x3, close below, but we do not have equal bottoms. So probably we could get some kind of the double repo look-alike. For example, if market will take the shape of the butterfly here, complete with the 1618 extension, the daily target is EBCD, and after that turn to the upward action. In this case, we could get the double repo by a lookalike. Why? Because market already has shown the close below 3x3, but hasn't formed equal bottoms. In this case, we probably could get the multiple penetrations of the 3 by 3 moving average. So it could be the triple double repo, maybe even quadruple double repo, but the idea is the same. So maybe we will get some kind of the shape of the double repo, but it will not be the pure double repo as it's suggested by the Chiod-Napoli. But in fact, this could be. But for that purpose, market needs first to complete this ABCD target. Until market will not complete the target, no significant upside performance will follow. So that being said, here we should watch for, first of all, do not take any long positions by far. Stay aside of it. Second, wait for a completion of this ABCD. As soon as it will be completed, this 12 even area, we will take a look what shape market will take. So if it will be butterflies, will be just great. And after that, we will make the decision. Would we like really to make the scalp long trade on the gold market, whether it will be double repo or something of that sort? But currently, guys, situation absolutely not attractive for taking the long position, mostly because market hasn't quite completed the daily target. So that's our current view. So that's why we expect first to drop further to the 12 even, and after that, this will be much safer to think about the possible taking the scalp long trade based on retracement. But again, for that purpose, we need to get the clear pattern to be formed here after the market will complete the daily ABCD.